Hey, if you're looking for a high-end street rod, let's take a look at this one. 1929 Ford Model A Tudor Sedan. Like I said, done up in a high-end street rod. Just take a look at the finish on this. Very high-quality build, all the way from the paint to the chrome work to the components to the mechanics of this thing. Done up very, very nice. Let's take a look at the front. Drop spindle axle. Chrome shocks, rotors up front, polished aluminum covers on the inside, chrome buckets for the lights. Just take a look at that grille. Luster and reflection in that. That tank is not operable. I'll show you where the gas tank is. It's just giving you that kind of old school dragster look. Again, take a look at the components and the chrome over here. The finish on those headers. Vented side engine covers are removable, and it is absolutely beautiful underneath there. Tell you what, with the chrome and the engine, the detail in this car, go check out the still pictures, and you can spend a little time looking at them. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, you're going to see a link to click on. Go ahead and click on that and go check out the underside of this car. It is absolutely amazing. You can check out the interior, check out the still pictures, take some time looking this over, because like I said, this is a high-end, very nice build. Our number, give us a call if you come up with some questions in the pictures of the video. The number is 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this. Again, look at the finish on those headers, coming down to the exhaust with the heat shield. Tell you a little bit about this car. It does have a quick change rear end in it. It has the adjustable coilover shocks in the rear. It's powered by a small block Chevy underneath the hood. Engine has less than 500 miles on it. That's paired with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. So as you can tell, this car is not only made to look good, it's made to go down the road. I mentioned earlier about the gas. Here's actually where the gas fill is. Just as one of the click covers. Don't even have to take the gas cap off. There it is. So very nice quality. Everything's thought of in this. And again, take a look at the underside pictures. You're going to see everything chromed and painted underneath. They're absolutely beautiful. You want to go to some car shows, turn some heads, here it is. Or go to your local cruise-ins. This car's made to drive. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation of this vehicle to where you're located at. This vehicle is also all steel. It's not a glass body, it is a steel body. See, it's riding on aluminum polished wheels. See what the luster's like on this side. Again, just a gorgeous color paint. Interior carries it through with a gray and wine color interior with leather bucket seats, power windows, tilt column, overhead console and stereo. The car does have AC. Let's check out the details on the inside of this. It also has poppers, but with the window down, I have the keys to the ignition. I just reach in, open it up. Look at how the interior carries nice polished chrome in here also. The wine and burgundy color. The leather bucket seats. It does have seat belts. I kind of move those out of the way. So when I get in here and start it up, I'm not sitting on them. Moon gauges, and they do work. It's got some cup holders that are pretty cool. I'll show you that. Shifter in the floor. Like I said, tilt column. All right, let me get the key in here. Let's go ahead and start this up. And find the right key. Oh, there it is. Fuel pump on. There's the park indicator, shift indicator. As you can see, overdrive transmission. Here's what I was talking about, that overhead console. Beautifully finished to match the gauge, the door panels. As you windows are power as well as the front windows. But nicely, that door closes. Listen to that sound. Take a look at the still pictures. I'm not going to pop those side covers off. So go ahead and check out the engine and the still pictures. Tons of chrome, lots of polish. 1929 Ford Model A Tudor Sedan Street Rod. High quality build, gorgeous car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pictures down below this video. There's a link you can click on. That'll take you there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we'll sure assist in getting this beauty to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.